Well, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play. I'm Rachel. Alright, so I want to show you how to cook a ribeye steak in the air fryer oven. A ribeye steak in the air fryer oven. I'm cooking this steak for my breakfast this morning. Yes, I am really hungry this morning, and I thought a steak would just be the best thing for me today. Okay, why not? Okay, let's stay tuned. I'm going to adjust the camera and we are going to do it. Great. Okay, here we have the ribeye steak. Okay, and we're going to be cooking it in the air fryer oven. Let me adjust to that. There we go. Okay, so I just have one steak because I'm cooking this for my breakfast. It's just me. Alright, I'm going to use my special seasoning. You're going to use your seasoning of your choice today, okay? And I'm going to season it on both sides. Now, ribeye is a very good choice of meat. Okay, now let's just put that in the air fryer. There we go. Alright, let me wash my hands. Okay, we're going to cook it on 370 for 10 minutes. And we'll be back in 10. Thank you. Okay, so we have 2 minutes left on our 10-minute setting. Let's check it out. Let me let you see. That's hot. Okay, that's all cooking on one side. Okay, so let's turn it over. And let's take a temperature, why not? Okay, we're only at 143. I'd like it to go to maybe 150, 155 tops. 150 would be okay. Okay, so we turned it over. I'm going to put it back in. And we have 2 minutes left on our 10-minute settings. I'd like to add a total of 5 minutes. So I'm going to take the 2 up to 5 more minutes. With that will give us 7 minutes. So it'll be a total of 20 minutes. Okay, so we're going to have 20 minutes total cooking and we'll be back. Okay, so we have about a minute left on our 20-minute ribeye steak that's cooking in the air fryer oven. Okay, so I just wanted to remind you, if you like the video, and I think you'll like it, oh, it's cutting off now, please hit the like button, share the video with others so that they'll know how to cook a ribeye steak, and don't forget to subscribe if this is your first time here. Welcome. Okay, let me give you the word of the day. The word of the day is dishes. Dishes. Nobody likes to wash the dishes. So some of you let the dishes pile up in the sink. Some of you don't wash them for days. Some of you wash them right away. There's a number of reasons why people give excuses not to wash the dishes. But I find if you wash them as you go along cooking, you won't have that many to deal with. And it doesn't look like a big sink full of dishes. It helps out mentally for you to do it. So wash them as you go. Don't leave them for someone else. And if you're going to leave them for someone else, they would appreciate it if you use less dishes. So again, that goes back to washing them as you go, right? Okay, don't forget to wash the dishes. That's the word of the day, the dirty dishes. Okay, let's check on the steak. Okay, let me let you see. Okay. Let's see what the temperature is. Okay, we're at 156. We are good. Okay, at 156, that's about a medium rare one. You know, if you like yours well done, then you may want to go to 160, 165. Okay, it's up to you. Okay, so let me get a picture in with the steak. Well, why don't I do that? Okay, so that you can see again, let me show you. There you go. And let me get a picture with the steak. How about that? Ribeye steak. Ribeye steak is also expensive to buy. So just keep that cost in mind. I just want to show you the middle. The middle is a little pink. You see that? Okay, so that's the way I like mine. Now, like I said, if you want yours well done, then you adjust the temperature and you cook it longer to maybe 160. Okay, let me give it a taste. Delicious. You don't have to chew and chew with that. So I'm going to enjoy my steaks. Thanks for stopping by, okay? Bye-bye.